Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys the best money method for this week to make you millions of dollars in GTA 5 Online. Now before today's video does start, if you can go ahead and do me a quick favor and just go ahead and drop a like, it supports out the channel a whole lot and it also pushes out the video to more people so they can also see this money method and make millions in GTA 5 Online. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I do post money methods, GTA 5 model outfits, and GTA 5 glitches, so consider subscribing if you haven't already. And now let's get into the money methods. Now the first money method on today's list is gonna be the time trial for this week. Now if you don't know what the time trial is, basically it gives out $100,000 under 2 minutes, right? So you just gotta go and complete this time trial under 2 minutes and you get 100,000, and it's located right there. Now all you want to do is head over to this location on the map and just go and set a waypoint right here. So this is where the finish line is going to be located at, and all you want to do for the time trial is just follow the highway, and that's really it. That's all you want to do. Okay, now just go and start up the time trial and just take the ramp right here, and once you land, just follow the waypoint, and that's basically it. Now very important, right? For this one, I recommend you to go ahead and use a fast car like a Vista 8 or an Itali RSX. I would highly recommend using an Itali RSX because it is the fastest car in GTA 5 Online. Now if you do not own the Itali RSX, I also recommend for you to go and use the Batty 801. If you are like a beginner player or just can't afford $1 million car, use the Batty 801. That is like the fastest bike, which is like super cheap. It goes for about like $8,000. Or you can find it on the streets as well. Like the thing, it's like a common bike in the streets, right? I know a lot of you guys seen the Batty 801, but yeah, if you can't afford a Itali RSX, go ahead and use the Batty 801. It is a fast bike and you can complete it under the time they give us for this one. But yeah, all you want to do is just follow the waypoint, and that's pretty much it for this one. And also, quick tip: if you do end up crashing and you're not gonna make it under the time they give us, like for the time trial, instead of finishing the race and all that, just go ahead and press Y if you're on Xbox, and if you're on PlayStation, go and press triangle, and then it should teleport you back to the start of the race. Alright, and now I'm just going to speed it up until I finish the race. Here we go, I'm about to finish the race. I'm getting very close to finishing it, so here we go, and there you go, 100,000 just like that. Super easy to do. It only took me about, for like I believe a 6 or 4 tries to go and complete it. I'm not 100% sure, I stopped counting it after a few. But yeah, so as you can see, it is super easy to do. I recommend you to go ahead and do. Basically, this is a free money drop right here if you are a beginner player. Easiest 100,000 you'll ever make. Okay, and now on to the next money method for this week to make you millions of dollars. Now this one right here is gonna definitely make you millions. All right, this money method I'll be showing you. So yeah, on to the next one. Now this money method right I'll be showing you for this one right here is definitely going to be making you millions of dollars. Now if you don't know, for this week, all special cargoes for your CEO offices are going to be double money and double RP, and also CEO offices are going to be on sale as well. So come over to your Dynasty 8 right here. So come over here, come over to enter site, and all you want to do, if you do not own a CEO office already, just go ahead and buy one. Right now they are all going to be on sale. Now the Maze Bank West one, I already have the Criminal Enterprise starter pack, so I get it for free. But this one here should be like $400,000 I believe, and the most expensive one I believe is like $1.9 million, $1.2 million. Now I really don't know, but because I already owned it, so it just says renovate. But yeah, once you now have a CEO office, all you want to do is head over to the computer right here, then come over to special cargo, and then come over to your warehouse map right here. And all you want to do, where it says here small, medium, large, all you want to do, if you do not own one already, just go ahead and buy one. Right now there are 3 types of warehouses. There's a small, medium, and large. Each one is different because it has like the amount of crates you can fit. Now the small one, you can fit about 16 crates, and the 16 crates get you about 400,000 maxed out. Medium warehouses get you about $1.3 million maxed out if you have like all 42 crates. And the best one of all of them is going to be the large warehouse, which gets you about $4 million, and that's 111 crates right there. Okay, and each crate gets you about 20,000 for the large warehouse. Each warehouse is different, but the large warehouse, each crate is worth about 20,000. Okay, so I recommend you to definitely get the large warehouse, since this is legit the best way to make money. All right, and yeah, Now once you have the large warehouse or the medium or small warehouse, come over to your warehouse map and head over to the green thing you just bought, and all you want to do is go ahead and always I recommend to go ahead and get the 3 crates. Okay, so come over here and just buy the 3 crates as always, and all you want to do is go ahead and just pick up the crates and take them to your warehouse, and that's pretty much it. Now if you do own the large warehouse, 3 crates gets you about $60,000, since each one is like $20,000 worth of crates, and it's honestly super easy. This is literally it. I just gotta pick it up, head over to a location, and I'm done, right? And I got an escort from a subscriber. If you're seeing this, appreciate the support. But yeah, it was that easy. There we go. And now I'm gonna take it. There goes cargo delivered. And as you guys can see, I have $800,000 worth of cargo. I went from 700,000 to 800,000, just like that. Basically, you're almost making about 100,000 each round you go, each like time you do. All right. And if I do want to go ahead and sell it, I can sell all 26 crates for $800,000 right there. And it's literally that super easy, like easy money, I'm telling you. All right, I recommend you to go ahead and grind this out, since it's legit gonna make you millions, right? And yeah, I'm not gonna go and sell now. I'm gonna wait until I have more crates, and then I'm gonna sell. But yeah, on to the next money method. Now the next best money method for this week is gonna be the RC Bandito time trial. Now if you don't know, basically this is the exact same as the regular time trial, but this one needs an RC Bandito. Right, so if you do not own an RC Bandito, you cannot do this, sadly, but you do get 100,000 by doing this if you complete it under 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right, so if you do own the RC Bandito, this is a perfect way to get an easy 100,000 just like that. All right, now the RC Bandito for this week isn't that hard, honestly. It only took me about 3 tries to finish it. First try, see how the route is. Second try, I redo it, failed, and then third try, I got it. All right, so it's super easy to do if you are a beginner player and somehow own an RC Bandito. So make sure you guys go ahead and do this one. It's super easy to do, and all you want to do is go and follow the waypoints, and that's pretty much it. So I'll go and speed up the video for you guys until I finish the time trial. And there we go, about to finish it, and just like that, 100,000, easy as that. All right, basically this is easy, $300,000 just like that. All right, for doing the regular time trial and this time trial. All right, so if you do own an RC Bandito, make sure you go ahead and do these money methods as soon as possible before they do change the locations, because every week the time trials do change the locations. Right, so if you're watching this video a week from now, the locations may be different, but they still pay the same amount of cash. Right, so I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I do post GTA 5 videos such as GTA 5 money methods, outfits, and GTA 5 glitches, so consider subscribing if you haven't already. And while you're at it, can you go ahead and drop a like? Let's hit 150 likes on today's video. I greatly appreciate it, and TiimeDesign signing out. Peace.